52. The mountain. This is the Makki Surah revealed in the early Makkan period. It has 49 verses in 2 sections. The surah speaks about the mission of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He came to warn people about the consequences of their denial of faith and deeds of injustice and indecency. Those who are in doubt of his message, let them produce a similar message. Let them also produce any proofs supporting their wrong beliefs. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Warnings about Allah's coming punishment for their disbelievers. Reward for the believers. Number 2. Question to the believers about their false beliefs. What are the evidences and proofs of these false beliefs?